Thank you for the opportunity, Speaker Sir, and thank you the honourable member for his question on the status of mineral exploration in Fiji's EEZ. Mineral exploration in the EEZ is all about deep sea minerals and exploring these deep sea minerals that occur on the surface or the subsurface of the deep sea floor. And there are various kinds that we have, different types of deep sea minerals: manganese nodules, cobalt-rich crusts, massive sulfides, phosphates, and seafloor massive sulfides. They occur at various depths in our ocean. Some of the SMS deposits that we have can be anywhere between 1,500 meters to 5,000 meters. Others will occur, the nodules occurred around 4,000 meters to 6,000 meters, and the cobalt-rich ice crust at about 400 to 4,000 meters depth. So it's quite a challenge to be able to explore the minerals that we have at these various depths. Here in Fiji, we've had scientific research being undertaken from the early 1970s to the early 1980s in various offshore areas of Fiji, focused on testing the potential initially for petroleum and also for metalliferous sediments, etc. From 1977 right up to 2004, we had about 15 offshore mineral surveys or exploration being undertaken, most of them in collaboration with our development partners, such as Australia, New Zealand, and the United States, and jointly funded survey of the Central North Fiji Basin in early 1987. And from 1987, this was followed by joint Japan-French cruises from 87 to 1992 in the study of mineral potential of the Central North Fiji Basin. Since then, we've had the Japan SOPAC investigations in 1999, 2001, and 2004, with the area of interest once again being the North Fiji Basin. So, Mr. Speaker, sir, given this, we've had, with the increasing interest, there was some legislation that was put together in 2010, amendments to the Fiji Mining Act that allowed for the administration of these deep sea mineral exploration applications and the issuing of exploration licenses under the Mining Act. Following this enactment in 2010, the department has since then issued a total of 18 deep sea mineral exploration licenses commencing in 2011. One exploration license was issued to the Korean Institute of Ocean Science in 2011, and this license is still active. 15 licenses were granted to Nautilus Minerals in 2011, and this expired in 2013, and 2 licenses granted to Blue Water Minerals in 2012, and this expired in 2014. So out of the 3 exploration license holders, Kios Minerals has completed 3 sea cruises for mineral exploration purposes with its exploration license zone or area, and has spent around $4 billion just exploring. So apart from such exploration cruises being focused on the survey or search for minerals, a significant component of such surveys is the Marine Ecological Survey, which presents valuable information on the marine ecosystems or ecological environment where deep sea minerals occur. Deep sea minerals, as with any other mineral occurrence, including terrestrial minerals, are non-migratory, and as such, there's no need to jump on the deep sea mineral mining rush bandwagon. Deep sea mineral exploration in Fiji is still in its infancy stage. The ministry is focused on supporting deep sea mineral exploration, given information or data extracted or obtained by these explorers at their own expense will be very valuable to government, as well as encourage more collaboration with other stakeholders and development partners in marine scientific studies and sea cruises for a better understanding of the nature of deep sea minerals, marine ecosystems, which play host to such minerals, and adopt a causal approach in determining a proper framework for deep sea mineral resource governance. To understand and know our oceans, we need to explore. We do not need to go into mining, but we should know our ocean, have important critical baseline information of what resources are there and how it is connected to land-based ecosystems. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
I thank the Honourable Minister.